Welcome to back my channel Forensic Toxicology module number 2nd. In this PPT lecture we have seen the spectrum of doses, their risk and their safety. Okay. In this module we are discussing about the what is the toxic effect in our body as well as organ damages, severe, acute, subacute. Toxic effect causes the severe damages of the body. The one questions originate front of you, what is the dose? The dose can be defined as the amount of a substance administered at a one time. However, when exposure to xenobiotics is considered, then we have to include other parameters in the evaluation of doses and their effect. The most important parameters of the number of doses, frequency and total time of period of treatment. Some example likes 500 mg aspirin as a single dose, 15 mg DDT per day for the 60 day. Okay. And let's have see the types of doses. The basically 6 types of doses. First is the exposure dose, the amount of xenobiotics encountered in the environment. And second is absorbed dose, when the actual amount of exposed dose that enter the body. The various doses or toxic substances enter our body for the various route, orally, intravenously, or by injected. The various toxic substances, food poisoning. And let's have see the third number of dose, that is administered dose. The quantity of administered usually orally or by injections. And the fourth number is total dose. What is the total dose? The sum of all the individual doses is called as a total dose. Okay. The some toxic substances entering various food chain or any other poisoning for the intravenously, and they get absorbed and causes to the severe effects in our body. The 5 number of dose is threshold dose. The dose level at which a toxic effect is the first encounter is known as a threshold dose. Okay. And the 6 number is subthreshold dose. What is a subthreshold dose? The doses below the threshold dose are often referred to as subthreshold dose. The various doses are classified according to the International Union of Toxicology. And let's have see what is unit of dose. Since some xenobiotics are toxic in a much smaller quantity than the milligram, smaller fractions of the gram are used, such as microgram. In the environmental science, environment exposure unit are expressed as the amount of xenobiotics in the unit of media given below, like as a milligram per liter for the liquid medium using this, and a milligram of gram for the solid, and a milligram of cubic millimeter of the air. And let's have see what is a risk and a safety of the doses. A systematic toxin is one that affects the entire body or many organs rather than a specific site. For example, potassium cyanide is a systematic toxicant in that it is affect virtually every cell and organ in the body by interfering with the cell ability to utilize oxygen. The toxicant may also affect the only specific tissue or organ while the producing damage to the body as whole. This is a specific and severe effect in our body. Various damages is occur. The fractionating of total doses usually decrease the probability that the total dose will cause a toxicity. Okay. The reason for this is that the body can repair affect each subtoxic dose if sufficient time passes before receiving the next dose. In a such case that a total dose harmful receive all the ones non-toxic were administered over a period of time. For example, 30 mg of strychnine swallowed at a one time could be fatal on adult with 3 mg of strychnine swallowed by the each administration of the various doses. Okay, and let's we see how the various the clinical and a toxic effect of dose must be related to the age and the body size. Another important aspect is the time over which dose is administered. This is especially important of exposure of a several day or for a chronic exposure. The commonly used time unit is 1 day, and thus the usual dosage unit is milligram per kilogram per day. The various units are used to the measurement of doses and various quantities administered in our body, and they can cause the severe effect of our body like a central nervous system damages or any other damages like as a kidney damages intravenously or anesthetic conditions when exposure of our dose the various illness of our body. Various toxic effects are causing this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.